Hello guys, Volume Day Trader. Hope you subscribe my channel, and also I hope you seen my last market commentary regarding the gold trading. And today we're gonna concentrate again on this asset and see where is a potential buying or selling area, and also we will do some fundamentals to detect where we can find a good entry point. Doesn't matter, it is like long or short. First we need to do the proper market analysis to see where the market is in regarding the technical position. So let me remove the drawing from the chart for now, and let's go for weekly, and let's see what we can read from the weekly chart. So the gold is going up since 2019. That's super important right now to go back to this time of the period, because after that time we do have for almost 2 years, I would say even 3 years, we do have such sideways trading. And what it is, this is a pure accumulation, a reaccumulation setup. So if you are familiar with Wyckoff methodology, Wyckoff trading, and price action trading, you will find a lot of information about this in also our profile on TradingView. So I strongly encourage you to follow it, and also encourage you to visit our website volumedaytrader.com, so you can see much more materials and tools we are using for trading. Why I'm doing this, because that's super important at this moment in the context of the price action which happened recently. So we do have the reaccumulation with the spring formation here. Then we detect such springboard here, and after accumulation we always have the first markup. Then usually market go a little bit lower, and we gonna have another markup. This is typical reaction after a proper accumulation. So based on trading view weekly chart, we need to have such indicator which is called volume. Let's see the volume, because that's also super important. And have a look that at that place, Monday 8th of April 2024, the market got the momentum on the weekly chart. Okay, that week the market get the momentum. Look at the volume. The volume was the highest since the beginning of 2023, but the close was very poor. You see the close? The close of this candle was very poor. Then the market went down and tried to get a new high. And what happened after this? The market got the sellers step in the market, because here are also the sellers. How we can read this candle is there are sellers here. So everything above 2,300, let's say 80, the sellers, when the market try to go higher, the sellers step in again and put market down. And also it happened in second half of May. The market also tried to get a new high. Already we did have a new high, but look at the close, the very poor close, and look at the volume, the weekly volume. It was over average, that volume. So sellers here, even you see the candle is green, but look at the close of the candle. Sellers here, market recently on June tried to go up, sellers appear here, and sellers appear also last week. So let's mark it. I would say I would put the line from here to here, let's say from this candle, the close of this candle, because every time, look at this, every time my market goes to this area, then we meet big sells. And of course the correction is, even if it's maybe 1, 2, 3, or wherever the market gonna go down, if ever. That is what we're gonna detect. First we need to see where the sellers appear on this chart. Then let's go for daily, and let's see what we do have here. Daily chart, and same situation, like we have a very big sell off here, very big sell off here and very big sell off here, and last week also the sells came here. So where the market has a big support level, so I would say that the support level, let's take a rectangle and put it here. So 2,300 and below 2,280, let's say, it's a big support line. But some traders, I saw some analysis, and they used to say this is a head, shoulders and shoulders pattern. I hate this name because we always we don't trade the patterns, and investors don't trade the patterns. We trade the facts, and the facts is price action and I would say a volume, because volume is a money. That's the most important. So right now the trade long or short is 50-50, guys. So we don't have any advantage on this market, because once today's session, US session open, we do have 50% that the market will go high and a 50% that the market will go down. We don't have any advantage. If the market would be here, or if the market would be in that area, that would be nice, because we have close resistance level or close support level. But here we are in the middle. There is a 50-50 chance, so no edge for this trade. And remove this volume, because we already know where the sellers act here. So remove this volume, and I will show you something interesting. Not hide, I supposed to remove it. And anyway, okay. I'm using also the Wyckoff chart. So this is cumulative volume, and let's do the chart here, and let's put the numbers and see how the market trade regarding the waves. So we're gonna put the step here and divide it, because we don't want to have such big numbers. Maybe 1,000 is okay. So divided this number by 1,000. That's okay. You see, so everything here you're supposed to add 30, and this is a daily chart. And let's go a bit maybe for 4-hour chart and see how the volume behave and how the volume act. So look at this. Before we do this step, we recommend the previous video. We do recommendation for long trade. Whatever you did, we expect first movement to 2,380, and the second movement, if we're gonna have the continuation, to 2,440. But we didn't have the continuation. We catch the move here, and we got stopped out here with the profit. But right now, look at this: the volume, 148,000 contracts on this movement, this short movement, and the market respond as 150,000 sells here. And then the market tried to recover, look, 124,000, but it's a lot of contracts bought it here, but there is no big movement in the price. What does it mean? It means that the market did a lot of effort, but there is no result in the price. So what we expected at this moment, if let's say, as I told you, we have 50% market will go here and 50%. We are in the middle of very important levels at this moment. But if someone would put the gun to my head and say, you have to do any transaction, I would go short. Because you see, let's check the numbers right now on 2 hours chart. You see here, big sell-off, and the market, even here, very good wave, 131,000, then 9,000, 80,000, and boom, there is a big sales force. Market try to go high. Look at this, 28,000 only, and here 63,000. Guys, look at this. 63,000. super big amount of contracts. Someone tried to buy, but market is not going high. It means the sales is active here. And the next candle so someone put a lot of effort to make the prices high, but no result. This is what Wyckoff teach us. On trading or acting on the market, we're looking for imbalance between buyers and sellers. And there was a lot of buyers, but at the same time, they put a lot of pressure, but in the same time, someone sell to them and they couldn't do a big movement. So that's why there is a market response, and we still see this as a dropping market. So at this moment, there is no trade, or it's supposed to be short on the short position with very tight stop loss. But I prefer to do a trades in such areas here or here or here. I will look for long patterns, or here I will look for short or for any continuation, whatever. But that's the decision areas. That's the decision areas at this moment. And also it could be for continuation down. So that is how I see the market. If you want to have a different picture for this, let me just find another indicator. You can get this indicator going to volumedaytrader.com. And step is 10. Okay, we don't do any divider. And look, since big buying volume, and there is a response. But what I'm gonna show you, let's remove these numbers. I'm gonna show you maybe on 4-hour chart a way better picture. So look here, how the sell's acting here, how the sell's acting here, and how the sell's. You see, market put a lot of pressure to go high, but the prices are in this place at this moment. And we do have response here. So it's really, really weak at market. If it drops here, I would look for some signals here. If we break this level and maybe on the some kind of the pullback, we can try to look for some long transaction. But in that scenario, we don't look for any, because it's 50% and 50%. So we don't have the edge. But I repeat it once again. If I have to do a transaction here, I will go short. So this is how the market looks like. And we do have also analysis for sugar, but it would be the next video. Thank you very much, and guys, stay in touch. Bye bye.